Hey there, everyone. Thanks a lot for coming back to Well Off Coin. Not having your Shib coins will mean you'll never, ever provide. Again, after seeing this movie, Shiba Inus are now one of the 4 most popular coins in the world, thanks to the popular joke that surrounds them. It's crazy. Last year, that ticket went up 45 million%. Shiba has gone down since at that point, even though it dropped 70% this year. And experts in money aren't completely certain either if it's possible to get back to where it was. Shiba Inu is thought to offer more now than it did when it was at its best. There are plans for the coin to grow at the layer 2 level and go into the metaverse. You should never give away your Shib coins again. In modern times, that's what this movie is usually about. Shiba dog, you should really not ignore this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel to see our latest predictions and find out more about how much a Shiba Inu costs. Allow us to start the movie. A company that was missing Shiba Inus at the time agreed to its white paper as an effort to build an autonomous, unrestricted community, which is something it has tried before. The transport-equipped drive could be a group of fans who got together on social media to make a case against the project. It grabbed a bunch. It could be a form of money that works on the blockchain of Ethereum. You can buy a Shiba Inu as a maker, stake it to make extra money, or use it to pay for many shops. After some time, Shiba Inu will become a more stable coin than it was not long ago. Shibarium is the name of the pick it is making for layer 2 size. However, the experts haven't decided on a release date yet. When it does come out, layer 2 should make exchanges faster and cheaper. That's exactly what clients like Shiba Inu have been doing to build a metaverse. The idea behind most star plots is that one day, a whole virtual city could be built on them. There will be more than 100,000 parts to Shiba Inu. It will be a much better player than it was in 2021, when it made progress like before. As long as Shibarium and the metaverse extend work perfectly. They don't really make Shiba Inus stand out, though, so there doesn't seem to be a reason for this coin to go through the roof. Even worse is the fact that there are 549 trillion Shiba Inu coins in circulation. Shiba Inu is worth about 1/4 of a cent right now. If it suddenly became worth $1, its market value would go through the roof and its market cap would hit $549 trillion. That's more than the whole deal about cryptocurrencies. In fact, big companies like Apple and burning Shiba Inus can't figure out what's wrong. Many experts have tried to figure out why Shiba Inu has grown and become so popular so quickly, but they haven't been able to come up with a clear answer. Some people think that Shiba's blockchain technology is better than those of its competitors because it speeds up and makes transactions safer. Some people say it was because meme coins were so popular at the time, but in the end, no one can explain why this cryptocurrency was so popular. Even though Shiba Inu only lived a short time, it had a wonderful life that people will remember for a long time. This is how the automated assets market usually works, as the Shiba Inu has had constant offer-offs in 2022. People in Shib still bet that the token's value would rise by the end of the year. In fact, there were no short-term signs of a possible upward trend, but people on CoinMarketCap who follow Shib think that a coin will normally be worth 11 cents on December 31, 2022. Usually an increase of 17.53% over what the thing originally sold for. Fried Finvold got this information on November 12th. The estimates are based on the votes of 2,924 people who used the fetched assessor tool. Surprisingly, the amount of money people in the community have bet matches the growth in the number of delivery towers. This means that people who buy the token still think its value will go up, and it may actually hit its all-time high in 2021. Slowly but surely, more and more people are buying this type of shipping. There are now 1,243,497 of them. The number of buyers has grown by 37,225. Or 3% since November 11th. The professional view of the report is still negative. The need for cash and crypto deals is having an effect on the decentralized budgetary coin. Based on the specialized indicators, AC means that the stock will offer at $14. Moving midpoints show a strong offer at $13, and oscillators show a straight offer at $9. On the other hand, Shib's reputation has been getting worse over the last week. The price is 96 cents right now, which is less than 23% of what it was last week. The source of income is less than 1%. It's important to note that Shiba has been feeling a little better ever since Elon Musk bought the huge social media site Twitter. When Musk bought Twitter, it gave out coins with dull names like Dogecoin and Shib. A short-term rise. Many people still need to buy Shiba Pekingese even though it's been a long time. The company learned that transportation makes up about 20% of the $2.9 billion that Crypto.com has kept. It's interesting that the stage release happened at a time when crypto companies were getting more attention for proving their capital. Because of the lack of cash, KEB's chances of making big gains depend a lot on how the price of all cryptocurrencies changes in a market that is completely chaotic. People who want to buy a Shiba Inu with cash are moving hundreds of billions of tokens. From the Ethereum tracking stage, we can see that crypto whales traded 877 billion Shiba tokens worth $7. $8. Etherscan gave more information on this. That was the largest payment of USD 202,438,224,930. The ID was made on November 2 ND and cost 13 cents for the 14th largest cryptocurrency by Advertise. On November 6, 190 billion crypto pairs were sent to the Crypto.com market. On the same day, the electronic resource reached its all-time high of 13 cents. When you buy Bitcoin, there are wallets there. One of the best deals Binance has ever run started on November 7, when the price of Shib hit an all-time high of 12 cents. A whale moved 89 million tokens to one of its banks. Shiba Inu has gone down along with the rest of the altcoin market since then. Right now, a Shib is worth 10 cents, which is 1,273% less than it was 24 hours ago. Part of the drop in the cost of advertising was due to problems at Crypto Exchange, which has now agreed to buy FT.com from Binance. It was said that FTX is having problems with funding, and since then, the FTT token has lost more than 68% of its all-time high. The neighborhood token on the market is worth $4.79 right now, which is 93% less than its all-time high. There are a few coins that came out at the same time as the Shiba swap. The bomb Shiba swap coin is one of them. The price of Autonomous Progress Shibuchi non-fungible tokens in the set Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain bones went up at first after many markets listed the company token, but they have since gone down and were 14% lower in the last month as of October 31, 2022. The company that makes Shiba Inus